One question we often get from clients nearing Medicare eligibility is, if I'm still employed, can my employer pay for my Medicare Part B premium and/or supplemental premium? Let's break this down. While your employer cannot directly pay your Medicare supplemental or Medigap premiums, there is the potential for them to help with these costs through a special program called a Section 105 plan. If they have a Section 105 plan in place, they can reimburse you for those premiums. How does this reimbursement work? A Section 105 plan allows employers to repay employees for their medical costs, including health insurance premiums, on a tax-exempt basis. The most common version of this is the Health Reimbursement Arrangement, or HRA. Your eligibility for these reimbursements depends on the type of Section 105 plan your employer offers. It's important to note that Medicare reimbursement from your employer is different from direct reimbursement through Medicare itself. To qualify for an Individual Coverage Health Reimbursement Arrangement, or ICHRA, you need to be enrolled in Medicare Part A and Part B or Part C. This plan allows your employer to reimburse you for Medigap premiums, as well as other healthcare costs. It provides a way for employees to offset the cost of Medicare and related coverage. If your employer has fewer than 50 full-time employees and doesn't offer a group health plan, they may offer a QSE-HRA or QSERA. This plan helps cover the cost of Medicare premiums as long as you have a minimum essential plan in place called an MEC. You must be enrolled in Medicare Part A to qualify, but if you are also enrolled in Part C, that meets the requirements as well. The QSERA will reimburse all Medicare premiums, including Medigap, Part D, and Medicare Advantage premiums, except for Part A premiums, which most people do not have to pay unless they have worked fewer than 40 quarters. In summary, while your employer cannot directly pay your Medicare premiums, they may be able to help with reimbursement through a Section 105 plan, depending on the type of plan your employer has in place. If you think you might qualify, speak with your HR representative to find out more about your options. We hope this clarifies how your employer could potentially assist with your Medicare premiums. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to reach out for more information.